Hello, boys, girls, and my dear friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sambit Mukherjee 360 Degrees. In the previous episode, we saw how to reach the Kullu's winter jacket factory outlet from the Pando Dam. This was a factory outlet, but the prices were just normal as a retail store. So we wanted to check another factory outlet. In today's episode, we will go to another winter jacket collection factory outlet which is nearby this factory outlet. So now let's watch how to reach the second factory outlet from this factory outlet. We have reached the second factory outlet. Now let me tell you one thing. The first factory outlet, the prices were little bit higher because I think so the products were genuine. But in this factory outlet, I believe all the products are export rejected. That's the reason why you get here all the jackets at dirt cheap prices. The jacket, which was costing around rupees 2000 in the first factory outlet, was available here in merely 900 to 1000 rupees. That's all for today. Thank you for watching today's episode till the very end. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. I'll catch you back in the next episode. Till then, take care of yourself. Goodbye.